Okay, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to get your license as a Florida Air A and Air B contractor and the exam books that you're going to need to study. You're going to need to highlight, tab them, and prepare for the test with these books, all right? So in some of my other videos, I already went over exactly how to apply. And before we go over anything, just remember, guys, if you don't qualify educationally or experientially, don't take the test and expect that they're going to just give you the license, because you do need to have that educational background along with the experience, one of the different qualifications, along with the test and other application requirements. All right. So before you guys go and buy your books, make sure that you get the updated 2024 books, because the new books are all up to date with the new building code changes that just took place January 1st this year. So make sure you're not buying old books, guys. All right, so the Florida Air A and Air B contractor exam is going to include the following books. You got the code, OSHA book, Construction Industry Regulations. You got the Contractor Manual. That's going to be for any contractor exam that you take. You're going to need to take the business and finance portion. It's going to have a lot of information in this contractor manual. All right. So then we have 3 more books. We have the Pipefitters Handbook. We have the Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Troubleshooting Handbook. And we have the Fibrous Glass Duct Construction Standards, the 8th edition. I don't know if they're going to be updating the 8th edition to something else or what, but just be on the lookout, guys. Make sure you try to get the most up-to-date books. I know you want to save some money when you're buying used books, but keep in mind that, if a code changed in maybe a 2017 book and now the 2024 book is updated with maybe slightly different, and you go to look up a question on the test and you give an old answer, it may count against you guys. Most of the stuff's going to be pretty similar, but that's a risk you take when you buy old books. All right, so now we're going to have the NFPA 90A and the NFPA 90B, installation of warm air heating and air conditioning systems. Okay, this is what they look like. All right, we're going to have the NFPA 96th standard ventilation, control and fire protection of commercial cooking operations. That is not what this book looks like. I must have put this here by mistake. This is the Energy Systems Analysis and Management Manual. We are going to need that as well. This is the HVAC Duct Instruction Standards, Metal and Flexible Edition. Okay, Energy Systems Analysis and Management, 2nd edition. Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technology, 9th edition. Here's the air conditioning manual down here. This was supposed to go up there. Okay, so this is the Train Ductulator, 1976 or later. Wow. Okay, and then this was the energy efficient building construction. Okay, so that's where the mistake was. All right, so those are the books, and then I think we have the Florida Building Code, Mechanical 2020. You see, but I had a picture of the 2017, so you're going to want the 2024, guys. You got the Florida Building Code Energy Conservation, most up-to-date one, and of course, for the business and finance portion, you're going to have the A1A documents, A401, A701, A201. Okay? Remember, if you want to buy these books used, you can. You get them highlighted and tabbed. You might save some money, but again, if you're going to keep these books long-term for reference, just get them new. Some of the top sites in Florida to get your book purchases are the Exam Pros, contractorcampus.com, mycontractorexam.com. So You're going to want to get these books, guys. I don't know if you want to get them all at once, get them one by one. They're probably right around, 1,500 to 2,000 for these highlighted and tabbed. And I would suggest you get them and don't make any more excuses. If you qualify to get a license in air conditioning, you should do it. Make 2024 your year, guys. See you in the next video.